voice and directed by no other than our international lifestyle designer, Sir PJ Arañador, and his team of youth volunteers that helps creating livelihood for our handloom weavers, artisans, seamstresses, beaders, designers, makeup artists, printers, food services, photographers, event service providers, and many more, and many of whom are displaced during the pandemic. This event is created to stimulate our local economy while we celebrate the National Heritage Month. So who will win these awards and honors today? So we have special awards: Best Fantasy Couture 2022, an outstanding presentation and imaginative concept. Most Festive Couture Award 2022, creation which is colorful or spirit that evokes festivities. Best Hair and Makeup 2022. We also have major awards such as Eco Luxury Award 2022, Best Use of Local Materials or Traditional Techniques. Couture Design Award 2022, gown with the best cultural interpretation. Lux Award 2022, most luxurious and exuberant gown. Best Haute Couture, Best Design Concept, Quality, and Workmanship. Best Collection 2022, Best
roughly mga 30 minutes pa rin siya. Once ka mag 10% na
Awards, Designer's Choice Award 2022, Young Designer Award 2022, Exemplary Talent in Fashion by a Young Designer. Beauty Awards, we also have Star of the Night 2022, a Muse who was celebrity like Aura. Reina Model 2022, Best in Runway Walk or Modelist. 5 Prettiest Reina Ilongga 2022, the most beautiful muses to be crowned by our beauty queens. Our delegates will do the runway show, after which they will parade and return back right here for the announcement of the winners. 3 Ilongga Queens in an event for queens. We welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and it's time, ladies and gentlemen, to meet our board of jury. And we may request them to stand to be recognized as I say your name. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our first judge. We have Iloilo Festival's Queen 2018, reigning Miss JBLFMU Mono 2021, and Miss Bikini Philippines 2022, Gobra Sharami Solosyo. And of course, we have Miss Iloilo Dinagyang 2018, Demi Patria Ainga. And now, let's welcome Miss Iloilo Dinagyang 2019 Tourism and Miss Millennial Iloilo 2019 Sharon Idon. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for Miss Iloilo Dinagyang 2016 and Miss Universe Philippines 2022 Iloilo Province, Vanessa Caro. And joining our board of jury, we have the fashion and lifestyle publisher, creative director of Lux and Style, ladies and gentlemen, Sir Roy Francis Rasano. And we also have one of Iloilo's top designers, an artist and stylist, Iloilo's prima fashionista, Jet Salcedo. And we also have Iloilo's top couturier of beauty queens and haute couture designer, ladies and gentlemen, Junji Candelario. And of course, our muses and designers will receive their certificate, which I will read to you the content of the certificate. Citation reads, SMCD Iloilo, 18 Fiestas in the City, Certificate of Participation. This certificate is presented to for participating at the Fiesta Ilongga Beauty and Fashion Parade and Competition at the 18 Fiestas in the City held at SMCD Iloilo on May 29, 2022. Your creative contribution contribution will be remembered and your participation are cherished. So Christine Joyce Yap, Group Marketing Manager, Visayas 3 SM Super Malls, and PJ Aranyador, Project Creator, Fiesta Ilongga. And that will be awarded in a little while. So ladies and gentlemen, moving forward, as our greens are preparing backstage, being the month of Flores de Mayo, or Mayflower Month, our designers will be offered flower lace donated by Patricia Keolani Changcaro, mother of Vanessa, which significantly celebrates greetings and love, with each petal whispering success to each one of our designers. Thank you, Ma'am Pat, for this gift of love and goodwill. So our designers are all volunteers spending their own money to create all these wonderful collections that you are going to witness today. So they will receive the swag Iloilo bags from Iloilo City First Lady Rosalie Trenes with some goodies from Angelina Bake Shop, Sina Brodsky of New Jersey, USA, Leslie and Jasper Saliba of JB Appliances, and General Merchandise OPC, Mel Air Condition and Refrigeration, General Supplies and Services OPC, Panaderia Lipaa, Haro, Shanghai Bazaar, Almeras, Gourmet Yema, Spread Dulce de Leche. Flower bouquet is courtesy of Floravel Villanueva, Ibel's Flowers and Foliage. And
may wireless transmitter.
I think we are getting ready. Dito PJ.
Wireless transmitter.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have all been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiesta Ilongga, the competition begins as we celebrate our heritage and traditions in fashion and beauty from the heart of the Philippines, Iloilo. And now we will start with our first contestant, starting with the designer Wen Sarabia, Reyna ng Panay Bukidnon, with Reyna Francis Green Calvo and escort Joaquin Tew. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the designer is Wen Sarabia, Reyna ng Panay Bukidnon, with Reyna Francis Green Calvo and escort Joaquin Tew. Models are dressed in modern Panay Bukidnon attire, which is the indigenous people of Panay Islands' traditional attire. Panubo, a traditional needlework, is used to highlight the patterns and designs. The designs are inspired by natural shapes and items. Violet is the dominating color, enhanced with stones and a pleasing sequence. Reyna ng Panay Bukidnon, designed by Wen Sarabia. Let's welcome Seth Abuel Abellano, designer Seth Abuel. Let's welcome the designer of our Reyna ng Panay Bukidnon, Wen Sarabia.
Dito kayo mo, may initialize ko yung mga ano mo, imulan, initialize ko, katama mo na sa material.
Let's have Seth Abuel Abellano. Reyna ng mga bituin, with Reyna Glyzamar Flamiano and Reyna Kia Faye Pimentel. On the ancient civilizations, travelers and sailors used the stars to help guide them navigate the sea. And so this gown was inspired by the radiance and sparkles of the star of the night, embellished with beads, rhinestones, and trimmings. Ladies and gentlemen, Reyna ng mga bituin, with the designer Seth Abuel Abellano. Designer. Let's welcome Reyna ng Takip Silim, Abia Jocelyn Deopido. Designed by Daniela Ina Macias. Burst of gold on lavender melting into saffron. This dress was spray painted to achieve the ombre colors and was embellished with rhinestones, beads, and flowers. It is inspired by the sunset, which symbolizes that endings can be beautiful too, and brings the promises of a new dawn. Reyna ng Takip Silim. Let's welcome the designer, Daniela Ina Macias.
Daniela.
And now let's welcome Reyna ng Kabulacan with Reyna Joan Ross Tribunal. Designer, Charles Villar. The gown is inspired with red flowers that embodies power, passion, and true love. They can also be used to convey respect, desire, and courage. In every angle of the gown, there is flower that will always remind us to bloom like a flower, unfolding our own beauty. Reyna ng Kabulacan with designer Charles Villar. And now let's have Reyna sa mga kapispisan, with Reyna Sharon Joy Actas and Reyna Hazel Grace Sumsumra.
Kapispisan.
Kapispisan comes from Visayan root word pispis, which means birds, and kapispisan meaning flock of birds. Reyna ng Kapispisan evolved to a mythical species symbolizing immortality, resurrection, and life after death, rising from ashes. This collection that cyclically burns to death and is reborn from its own ashes. For this reason, the beginning of this work conveys happiness, excitement, and enthusiasm. As it is the color of sunshine, it's likely to be associated with warmth and energy. Its likeness to the color of autumn leaves means it could also be linked with the change of seasons. Reyna sa mga kapispisan with Reyna Sharon Joy Actas and Reyna Hazel Grace Sumsumra. With designer RJ Paca Onsis.
Record ni Warren.
Reyna Sinangkating Bulawan, Reyna Katarangban Kaginibo Kabinungkot, with Aura Faye Rubinas. Designed by Kimber June Masillones.
Instant gili ini Sir PJ ang ang sequence nalipat ko ba tanikaptan.
The maiden Sinangkating Bulawan was a dweller in the cave or Cueva Katarangban. She was referred to as the Lugay ng Korundalan and Queen of the Many Binukots, the kept women and culture bearers of Panay Bukidnon. She lived with her sibling Lunay Hamino. With her lumay or spell, she could make many men swoon over her and enter the cave to explore it with their fantasies. The spell of Sinangkating Bulawan was very powerful, that even the Busalian in the toughest of men, Umadaklon and his brother Dumalakdak, was trapped in the spell of Sinangkating Bulawan for 7 years at Nueva Catarangban. Reyna Sinangkating Bulawan, Reyna Catarangban kag Ginibong Mabinukon, Aura Faye Rudinas. Designer, Kimber June Masillones. With Cristel Shane Calayo. Designer, Glenn Japet Paracal. The golden Mayflower that is grown out of greed and passion. The enticing beauty that blooms once every year. The dazzling golden beauty of Reyna Kahapugan, or the Queen of Greed. Cristel Shane Calayo. Designer, Glenn Japet Paracal. Let's have Reyna ng Daigdig. Reyna ng Daigdig is Mila Escarlote. Designer, Ravi Domingo. Known in ancient Greek as Queen Gaia, or the personification of the earth, Gaia was the embodiment of the earth itself, a great deity and the mother of all life. This gown was inspired by our Mother Earth. The color itself symbolizes growth and renewal, being the color of spring, rebirth, prosperity, and progress. Reyna ng Daigdig, Mila Escarlote. Joining her is the designer, Ravi Domingo. Reyna Sangkanagatan. Reyna Sangkanagatan with Mary May Soriano.
Ha?
Designer Esther Rijaldo.
Tingnan lang sa likod. Ang lipot mo kung nabog mo. Lipot lang. Yung kaliparak yung talikod.
Wife of Poseidon and eldest of the 50 Nereides. She was the female personification of the sea, the loud moaning mother of fish, seals, and dolphins. In this gown, you will see the white and blue pleated ball skirt representing the waves of the ocean, and the crystal beaded top matched with hand-beaded pearls and crown of shells and diamonds. Reyna sang Kadagatan with Mary May Soriano. Designer Esther Rijaldo. Let's have Reyna sang Alibamba with Joanna Mude. Designer Jeff Ticao. Feminine in a full lace skirt, like Alibamba or butterfly. Our Reyna encourages everyone to chase big dreams and fly freely, because at the end there's a magical transformation. Reyna sang Alibamba with Joanna Mude. Designer Jeff Ticao. Coming up next is Reina Muerte, or Queen of Death, with Rochelle Heron. Designer Oten Patrimonio. A story of a woman who deeply mourns for the death of her loved one. She is sorrowful yet beautiful in her black hablon ensemble. Reina Muerte, or Queen of Death, with Rochelle Heron. Designer Oten Patrimonio. Coming up next is Reyna sang Underworld with Selena Isabel Calabo Schneider. Designer Cyril Villanueva. Demeter. She became the queen of the underworld after her abduction by Hades, the god of the underworld. This elegant black panel ball gown symbolizes the supernatural world of the dead in the various religious traditions and myths. The colors and structures of the gown explains that the underworld was a shadowy prospect for most ancient Greeks. Reinas of Underworld with Selena Isabel Calambro Schneider. Designer Cyril Villanueva. Let's have
40%
Reina Camontogawe, Old Name of Mina Iloilo, kag iya Bulawan Yongsa, with GV Grace Panes, designer Jansen Leisa Lisao. Montugawe is the old name of the municipality of Mina, Iloilo, named after an enchanted hill with the shape of a man's face or gawe in the vernacular dialect. According to the folklore, a diwata can be seen grazing her golden goat on this hill during a full moon. This diwata, clad in gold, is also referred to as the Queen of the Encantos who live on that hill. Raina ka Montogawe kag iya Bulawan nga usa, with GV Grace Panes. Reina Madias with Lisel Gel de Malata. Madias is a dormant volcano in the highest peak in central Panay and is often referred to as a female deity in the local legends. As the queen of all mountains in Panay, she became wife to Katlaon and bore him 3 daughters named Batbatan, Maningning, and Marariso. Madias is elusive as she is enchanted and would only show herself to deserving mortals as her peak is most of the time covered with fog. Reina Madias with Lisel Gel de Malata. and Reina Madias. Designer, Jansen Neza Lizal.
Ano? Kung kita galing mo paano?
Let's have Reina de los Diamantes.
Balik ko siguro. Balik ko sa patos.
Reina de los Diamantes with Rawan Ason.
Kasi Rawan na lang.
Designer, Isa Mabel Kitor.
Ilan kaya? Ako lang umunta na naman sa may Facebook.
The modern birth of Venus is aimed to evoke all sensory departments. Aphrodite, also known as Venus, was intimately associated with love and beauty. The gown itself practically embodies the rebirth of civilization, a new hope, geopolitical, social, and cultural shift. Reina de los Diamantes with Rawan Ason. Designer, Isa Mabel Kitor.
Ay, si Victor. Balik yung picturean mo. Pamalis lang po.
Reina de Bougainvillea with Reina Mary Desiree Rendoque and escort Raceli Jane and Domingo. Designer, James Earl Habonillo. South America, Reina de Bougainvillea carries several names in the different regions where they are present. Bougainvillea is generally placed in the Bougainvillea subtribe of the Nicta-Genesee tribe, with Pisoneye being a sister subtribe. Reina de Bougainvillea represents bravery, beauty, and love of an individual. Reina de Bougainvillea with Reina Mary Desiree Rendoque and escort Racel Jane and Domingo. Designer, James Earl Habonillo. ladies and gentlemen, those were our first 16 contestants for our Fiesta Ilongga, and we still have our part 2, our next set of contestants with the different designers as well. But now we welcome back our Ilongga beauties, our beauty queens of our Sagala Festival and Fiesta Queens. Let's start with 2022 Miss Kalibo Ati-Atihan, Miss Michelle C. 2022 Miss Kalibo Ati-Atihan, Miss Michelle C. is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Gabby and Marifez C. She is 19 years old from Old Busuan, Kalibo, Aklan. Taking a Bachelor of Science in Biology, major in Medical Biology at De La Salle University, Manila. The gown is designed by Ryan Salazar Lopez. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for our 2022 Miss Kalibo Ati-Atihan, Miss Michelle C.
No bad angle. Uy.
Let's have the 2021 Lin-Ay Kang Antique first runner-up, Miss Novi Faith Lindsay Correa Cerato. 2021 Lin-Ay Kang Antique first runner-up, Novi is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Liberato and Novelinda Cerato. She's 23 years old from Belizon, Antique. She's a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Medical Laboratory Science at Central Philippine University. Gown is designed by Junray Oxenia. Novi Faith is a registered medical technologist. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, 2021 Lin-Ay Kang Antique first runner-up, Novi Faith Lindsay Correa Cerato. Coming up next is the 2018 to 2020 Miss Republic of the Philippines, Miss Cindy Maria Dumont. Cindy is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Teddy and Florenda Dumont. She is 22 years old from Dayao, Rojas City, Capiz. Taking a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, minor in Travel and Tours at Far Eastern University, Manila. The gown is designed by Joshua Vanduga of Patterns of Josh. Once again, 2018 to 2020 Miss Republic of the Philippines, Cindy Maria Dumont.
Sila magyapon? Oo, tama. Magyapon ba yun? Nag-live? Oo, magyapon. In-rewind ko din yung shot ko kayo na sila magyapon.
Let's welcome the 2018 Mutya Sangkataran, 2018 Miss Millennial Capiz, and 2019 Miss Teen Philippines 4th runner-up, Miss Joanna Cox Min. Joanna is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Joaquin and Francis Cox Min. Taking a Bachelor of Arts in International Studies at Yonsei University. The gown is designed by Al Fernandez. Once again, mula sa halalan 2018, Miss Millennial Cappies 2018 and 2019 Miss Teen Philippines 4th runner-up Joanna Kalksmith. 2019 Ahoy Fiesta Queen Miss Hannah Bell Tangente. Hannah Bell is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Hannibal and Jasmine Tangente. She's 18 years old from San Antonio, Ahoy, Iloilo. Grade 11 of STEM program of the University of San Agustin. The gown is designed by Hector Toto Hilyangarin. Ladies and gentlemen, 2019 Ahoy Fiesta Queen, Miss Hannah Bell Tangente. Jessica Arengo. Miss Jessica Arengo is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ricardo Jr. and Loida Arengo. She's 21 years old from Balasan, Iloilo, taking a Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration at John B. Lacson Foundation Maritime University, Molo. The gown is designed by Brian Cinco. Once again, the 2019 Linay Sangbalasan, Miss Jessica Arengo. Festival Queen and 2019 Miss Iloilo Tourism Heritage, Miss Jean Lamparero Haleco. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jeffrey and Melba Haleco. She's 22 years old from Cabatuan, Iloilo. She is taking a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management at Central Philippine University. Gown is designed by Jamel Haleco Ilahas. Your 2019 Tinoong Festival Queen and 2019 Miss Iloilo Tourism Heritage, Miss Jean Lamparero Haleco. 2019 Miss Tourism Calinon, Miss Freya Jel Areglo, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rico and Arlene Areglo. She's 24 years old from Poblacion, Rizal, Ilaud, Calinog, Iloilo. A graduate of BS Psychology at Central Philippine University. The gown is designed by Hector Toto Hilyangarin. Your 2019 Miss Tourism Calinog is Freya Jel Areglo. Miss Heritage Dueñas, Miss Blazelle Don Acol, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Roger and Erlina Acol. She's 18 years old from Calang Dueñas, Iloilo. She's a senior high school graduate at Sacred Heart Academy. The gown is designed by Carlos Simoy. 2019 Miss Heritage Dueñas is Miss Blazelle Don Acol. Miss Rica May Hintolea. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rosendo Ricardo Endrema Hintolea. She's 21 years old from Bacong, Gimbal, Iloilo, taking up BS in Tourism Management at the University of San Agustin. The gown is designed by Ariel Doronina. 2019 and Yag Kapatayan, Miss Rica May Hintolea. For correction, Miss Sinong Festival Queen, the designer is Sir Carlos Simoy. And now let's welcome 2022 Linay Kanging Baras, Miss Yunyong Pek. Yunyong Pek, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Byuk Yun and Maria Fe Pek. She's 18 years old from Igbaras, Iloilo, and a grade 12 STEM program at Gimbal National High School. She's in grade 12. Gown is designed by Larry Ortiz. 2022 Linay Kanging Baras, Miss Yun Yang Pek.
Something.
2022 Miss Liganes Saan Festival Queen, Miss Precious Buenafe. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Eliseo and Roslyn Pola. She's 21 years old from Liganes, Iloilo, and taking up Bachelor of Science in Special Education at West Visayas State University Main Campus. The gown is designed by Alfie Desamparado. 2022 Miss Liganes Saan Festival Queen, Miss Precious Buenafe. The designer. Let's welcome 2019 Binibining Pintados de Pasay Festival Queen and represented Pasay in the 2019 Reina ng Aliwan Festival Queen, Miss Angelique Olmedo. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Roy and Eva Olmedo, 27 years old from Sarapan, Pasay City, Iloilo. Graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, and the gown is designed by Maymay Simon. 2019 Binibining Pintados de Pasay Festival Queen, Miss Angelique Olmedo. Precious Benefici was wearing the gown designed by Rufi Itaas. Let's welcome 50th Miss Carabao Carosa Festival Queen, Miss Janaila Bea Salapantan Loberiza. Daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Janilon and Isidra Loberiza, she's 18 years old from Ungka to Pavia, Iloilo. She's a senior high school student at Santa Isabel College. And the gown is designed by Rampa Hara Collection. 50th Miss Carabao Carosa Festival Queen, Janaila Bea Salapantan Loberiza. The 2019 to 2020 Miss Tubungan Fiesta Queen, Miss Avril J. Tablatin, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Felix Sr. and Eunice Tablatin. She's 19 years old from Teniente Benito Tubungan and taking up she's a first-year BS Criminology student at Iloilo Doctors College. The gown is designed by Presi Guerres. 2019 to 2020 Miss Tubungan Fiesta Queen. Philippines 2022 Iloilo City, Miss Dorothy Gemilian, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Valentin Jr. and Elisa Gemilian. She's 21 years old from Pavia, Iloilo, and taking a Bachelor of Arts in Nursing at Central Philippine University. The gown is designed by Tata Blas Piduela. Your 2022 Miss Iloilo Universe and top 16 in the 2022 Miss Universe Philippines. Your Miss Universe Philippines 2022 Iloilo City, Dorothy Jabilian. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Sagala Fiesta Festival and Fiesta Queens Ilongga Beauties for the 18 fiestas in the city. Madamong pasalamat sa tanan nga designers and beauty queens who joined us for the Sagala Festival and Fiesta Queens. Thank you, Department of Tourism Region 6, and now we're back with our Fiesta Ilongga. With Reina de Morpho Azul, Queen of Blue Morpho number 17. Muse Kathleen Pearl Lovoxo and Escort January Porras Sumabo. Designer Jasper Marie Miguel Tubato.
Lain lang bayo.
The gown is created and inspired by the butterfly, specifically the blue morpho. Blue morpho is one of the endangered species of butterfly that lives in the rainforests of Latin America. It is intricately designed by sequins and beads attached to the handmade pattern of the wings of the butterfly.
Pero ko na itong naka-turn na gitna.
Reina de Morpho Azul with Muse Kathleen Pearl Lovoxo and Escort January Sumabo. Designer Jasper Marie Miguel Tubato.
Graduate ako ng graduate naman. Anong tapos naman siguro? Gamay na lang, hindi mo masyat. Ako dito man ang vlog yan, ano? May laki aircon, di ba? Init. Init natin yung panahon lang. Natin yung panahon. May laki aircon.
Reina sa mga bulalaka.
Siguro, 30 minutes, wala. Ubos ng baterya na.
With Muse Flora May Pagayon and Escort Alfeo James Recabar. Designer Christian Panizas Liza. The gown is inspired by the Bulalakaw, which is also believed as a Visayan Diwata. In the Visayan mythology, the Bulalakaw is a deity that has a gigantic appearance who visits the earthly place in the form of a comet. Reina sa mga Bulalakaw with Muse Flora May Pagayon and Escort Alfeo James Recabar. Designer Christian Panizas Liza. Reina de Camellia.
Size pa rin mo, hindi ka naladuan na. Nag-isan lang kasi at arts.
With Lyra Cobarde.
Parang ubos ba?
Maria Cecilia Andrea Solo and John Reynard Espada. With designer Camel Baloy. Reina de Camellia is a modern floral design collection. It is inspired in camellia flower that symbolizes love, devotion, affection, and admiration. Elegance and grace. Camellias are also associated with good luck and fortune. A combination of color yellow and white. White camellias symbolize purity and innocence. Considered to be the color of perfection, while yellow camellias stand for joyfulness and happiness. Reina de Camellia, with Lyra Cobarde, Maria Cecilia Andrea Solo, and John Reynard Espada. Designer Camel Baloy.
Marami naman sa Pilipinas lang siya, no? Dito na muna ako. Ito na ligan. Sa lang ako na muna ako po siya. Tapos ibang mo, hindi na po sa lagi. Kaya na tagka 2, 3, 4. Ito sigurado lang at sharp. Ayun. Kailangan na siya tayo speed, no?
Reina sa Bulawanon Goras with Girly Tapala. Reina sa Bulawanon Goras designed by Remzin Macario. Golden Hour, colloquially termed as Bulawanong Oras in Hiligaynon, is a so-called natural phenomenon that occurs during the period of daytime, after sunrise and before sunset. It is when the sun is low, thus meeting the sky 2 horizons, fundamentally radiates the warm color of gold in the skies and lands. And along with this, some photographers coin it as magic hour for lands. It provokes the interludic scheme of perfect scenery to their lenses, creating the missing piece to the masterpiece. This inspiration will not only allure photographers' hearts and minds, but also will fascinatingly captivate the eyes of those people who witness its beauty that vividly amplifies the color of hope and dreams to the envision of the skies, lands, and seas. Reina sa Bulawanon Goras, Girly Tapala, designer, Remzin Macario. with Marian Jade Babayano. Designer Michelle Taday. This gown inspired by the fan-shaped leaves of the palm, which symbolizes rebirth, universal kindness and peace. Through fabric manipulation and embellishments, a placement of new design gives impact. Reina Majestica de Parma, Marian Jade Babayano. Designer Michelle Taday.
Nagsibong pa niya green man o kag-yellow. Atong kay na nga oo atong
Reina
pala sa natin sa video i-remind mo na
Geneva Pazuki.
pala mo lang medyo
Designer Rafael Enigo.
ginagawa ni shoot
The cradle of Panay civilization, emerging from the mouth of Sapa and Dona. The landing of the 10 Borneo Datus paved the way for the barter of Panay. The very reason why San Joaquin Homes celebrate Bayluhay Festival. This costume is a perfect representation of the designer's dear town. Fully covered with gold, this piece symbolizes wealth, power, elegance, and glamour. Moreover, it represents the golden necklace and sadok, items bartered by the Bornean in exchange for the island of Panay. This costume also shows the golden heart, the golden mines, and all other characteristics of San Joaquin Homes that is worth more than gold. Reina Kampailuhay, Geneva Pazuki. Designer Rafael Enigo. Reina Kampailuhay. Reina Kampailuhay, Dimple, with the designer Dimple Ace, and with Shaina Patricia Crucero de la Peña.
23% gamay ang isa kaya sige kaon niya
Green gowns have existed for centuries among royalty and the social elite, dating back to the Middle Ages. She's Reina Kampailuhay as it's Reina Kampulawan. Has its design typically inspired by clouds of beads. It was single cut off shoulder with a low decolletage to expose his arms, and they constructed bodies, single bared arms, long boffin skirt to take plunge and rejuvenate her decolletage. This Reina Bulawan gown functions to dazzle the viewer and augment a woman's femininity. Reina Bulawan with Shaina Patricia Grosero de la Peña. Designer, Dimple Ace. Reyna ng mga katao. Hana Sofia Raimundo. With designer Erica Lee De Leones. The masterpiece is inspired by Reyna sang mga katao or Yesebel. This creation is serpentine cut with Balita wax sleeve or gold Filipiniana sleeves. This is made of aglon and sprit lace with a croc and diamond pearl beads and flat sequins. Reyna ng mga katao, Hana Sofia Raimundo. Designer, Erica Lee De Leones. Reina de Rosas with Hannah Joyce Capada.